Nice and steady this time.
Bye, Glimmerwing. Thank you for everything. We'll come back and visit someday.
I believe we will. We did it! It's fully powered!
Grandpa Gus would be so proud. We fixed the flying candy shop. Now, let's figure out how to steer it home. Good morning, shop. Ready for customers?
Not many coins came in yesterday.
This lollipop is very good, though.
That's not exactly extra money, Milo.
We need to talk, Grace. Look at these bills, Grace.
I know things are tight right now.
I think we should sell the shop.
Sell Grandpa Gus's shop? Never. This shop means everything to our family.
I love it too, but bills don't care about memories.
Are you two fighting again? We're just talking, Milo.
We'll figure it out somehow. This old engine holds a little magic, you know.
Real magic, Grandpa?
The sweetest kind. Take good care of it.
Remember what Grandpa said about this engine?
That it holds a little magic.
Maybe we just need to believe that again.
Maybe. Let's open the shop for today.
Can I help open the shop today?
Of course, you can sweep by the door.
I'll be the best sweeper ever.
That's the spirit, little brother.
There, the window looks perfect.
Counter's all clean and ready.
I swept every single corner.
Great job, Milo. This crystal is so pretty. I wonder what happens if I touch it.
Milo, don't touch the old engine.
I'm not touching it, I'm just looking.
Just a little touch. It's so warm.
What is happening?
Milo, what did you touch? I just touched it a little bit.
Hold on to something! Ah!
We're flying! We're actually flying!
This can't be real.
It's real! Look how high we are!
Everyone stay calm and hold on tight. Where in the world are we?
I don't think we're in our world anymore.
This is the best accident ever!
We need to find a way back home.
There's a crack in the engine.
Is that bad?
It means we're slowly losing power.
Will we fall down?
Not if we fix it first. Okay, we landed safely at least.
The ground is bouncy. It feels like a giant gumdrop.
Let's look around for materials to fix the engine. We need 3 things to fix the engine.
What are they?
Cloud glass to patch the crack, sticky nectar to seal it, and glowing berries for fuel.
That sounds like a treasure hunt.
I'll search the crystal cave for cloud glass.
Milo and I will find sticky nectar in the swamp.
I want to explore everything. One thing at a time, Milo.
Stay close to me, little brother.
Cloud, candy, fly. Cloud, candy, fly. I said it too. Cloud, candy, fly.
This cave is absolutely beautiful. Somewhere in here must be cloud glass. I hope Oliver and Milo are all right. There you are, cloud glass. Careful now. Gently does it. Got it. Now back to the others.
Careful, it's very sticky here.
My boot is stuck.
Hold my hand, I'll pull you out.
This is so funny.
This must be the sticky nectar.
It looks like golden honey.
Perfect for sealing the crack.
2 things found, 1 to go. Something is moving in there.
Stay behind me, Milo.
Is it dangerous?
I don't know yet. Let's be careful.
Is that a rainbow deer?
I've never seen anything like it.
It's so beautiful.
Slowly now, don't scare it away. Here, I have a peppermint for you.
It's okay, I won't hurt you.
It's getting closer.
It likes peppermint. That tickles!
I think it likes you, Milo.
I'm going to call it Glimmerwing.
Glimmerwing. That's a perfect name.
I think it wants us to follow.
Let's see where it leads.
Maybe it knows where the berries are.
Only one way to find out.
Wait, is that a magical deer?
This is Glimmerwing. We're friends now. It's beautiful, Milo.
We found the cloud glass, I see.
Right here, safe and sound.
2 down, 1 to go. Sparkberries.
Any idea where to find those? Maybe Glimmerwing knows.
Let's ask our new friend to guide us.
Look, I can see the grove glowing.
It looks like fireflies in the trees.
Almost there, everyone.
Thank you for guiding us, Glimmerwing.
This place is like a dream.
I've never seen anything so magical.
Let's gather the berries carefully.
I'll help pick the brightest ones.
What was that sound?
Something is out there.
Stay very still, everyone.
Glimmerwing looks scared too.
Wait, I don't think it's dangerous.
It just wants the berries too.
It looks hungry, not scary.
Let's share instead of running.
Here you go, big friend.
See? We're not scary either.
What a gentle giant it turned out to be.
Let's grab what we need and thank it.
The basket is almost full. Glimmerwing is helping too. We make a great team, all of us. All 3 things found. Let's go home.
Bye, Grumblecloud. Thank you for sharing.
What a strange and wonderful day.
Let's get this engine fixed.
Is Glimmerwing coming with us?
Home, sweet flying home.
Let's get this engine fixed properly.
Glimmerwing, want to come inside?
I think it might be shy indoors.
All right, let's do this carefully.
I'll hand you the cloud glass first.
Can I help hold something?
You can hold the nectar jar, Milo. There, that fits perfectly.
The light looks steadier already.
Now for the sticky nectar. Here, right on cue. Sealing it now, there.
It's glowing brighter already. One more thing, the sparkberries.
Let's power this engine back up.
1 berry, 2 berries, 3 berries.
Keep going, it's working.
Look how bright it's getting. Last one there.
We did it! It's fully powered!
Grandpa Gus would be so proud.
We fixed the flying candy shop.
Now, let's figure out how to steer it home.
Let's see if I can steer this thing.
Careful, it's a little wobbly.
It feels like a boat.
A flying candy boat. I like that.
Are you not coming with us, Glimmerwing? I understand. This is your home. We'll never forget you, Glimmerwing. Goodbye, my magical friend. A feather, just for me? What a precious gift. I'll keep it forever, I promise.
Time to go, everyone. Say your goodbyes. Nice and steady this time.
Bye, Glimmerwing. Thank you for everything. We'll come back and visit someday.
I believe we will.
Magic. Friend. Sky. Magic. Friend. Sky. I remember every word. I'm going to miss this place.
Can we bring some candy home with us?
I think we already did in our pockets.
Fair point.
I don't want to sell the shop anymore.
Really? What changed your mind?
This whole adventure, it reminded me why Grandpa loved it.
I'm so glad to hear you say that.
Let's keep the shop and keep it flying too.
A flying candy shop, just like Grandpa dreamed.
We'll figure out the money together as a team.
Together, I like that plan. I see our town! We're almost home!
Right on time for sunset.
Let's bring this shop down gently.
Slowly this time, please!
And we're down, safe and sound.
That was a perfect landing, Oliver.
Best trip ever!
Let's go tell everyone what happened.
Solid ground, I missed you! You're too funny, Milo!
Home sweet home, everyone. What a story we have to tell. Was your shop always this sparkly? It had quite an adventure today. I'd love to hear about it sometime. Come by for candy, and we'll tell you everything.
Sugarwing Candy House, open for business.
And this time, we're keeping it.
Our very own flying candy shop.
Grandpa Gus would be proud of us.
This feather belongs right here. Next to Grandpa's photo, perfect. Now our shop has two kinds of magic.
The old kind and a brand new kind. What a day this turned out to be.
One I'll never forget. Can we visit the clouds again sometime?
Someday, little brother. Someday. All locked up for the night.
Sweet dreams await, I think.
I made this little Glimmerwing from cotton.
It looks just like our friend. Good night, little adventurer.
Good night, Grace. Today was magical.
It really was, wasn't it?
I hope I dream about clouds.
Thank you for believing in the shop again.
Thank you for never giving up on it.
We really are a good team, aren't we?
The best team. Grandpa would agree.
Family.
Together.
Home.
Family. Together. Home.
That's what this shop has always been.
Good morning, everyone! Good morning! Cloud pancakes today.
Fitting after yesterday's adventure.
My favorite kind of pancake now.
Welcome to Sugarwing Candy House.
Why does everything sparkle so much today? That's a story for another day.
A very magical story.
This is exactly where we belong.
Sugarwing Candy House, now and always.
The most magical shop in the whole sky. Thank you for flying with us today.